In this video, I'll show you how to download Amazon Prime on Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful. So if you have a Smart TV and want to download Amazon Prime, especially with their Google Play Store, with their App Store, or if the application is not found on your App Store, here's a solution you can do. The first is to connect to the internet and then you come back to this application here called Downloader, which is an intermediate application that helps you to search for apps from the internet and download to your Smart TV. This is a must-have application on your Smart TV. If you have it on your Smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get the application. Once you go to it, launch it. Now, as you launch Downloader and come over to Downloader, here's how the interface looks like. What you have to do here is to type in the right keyword in this box to search. You can type in a keyword like just Amazon Prime, which is basically generic. We can type in a specific keyword like download Amazon Prime on Smart TV. That's a keyword you can use, or Amazon Prime APK. Anyone. So if we just go ahead and type in a generic keyword like Amazon Prime and we search, here's what Downloader is going to show us. Downloader is going to show us various links, website, play stores that we can get the application to our smart TV. And all you have to do is to choose which one is suitable for you. So for instance, here are they. So you can scroll through them. You can scroll through them to see which one is okay. If you don't see anyone that works well, you can click here and go for more. Here's an option. This is going to work. Here's another option. I think this is going to get you the application. And here's another. Now, this one leads you to the website of Google Play, which is one of the best sources of any application on smart TV. So you come over here and click on it, and it's going to lead you here. And if the application is supported on your smart TV, you are going to see an install button. If it's not, you are not going to be able to install the application. So let's hope it's supported on the smart TV. Oh yes, it's supported on the smart TV. So you can just come over here and click on install, and the application will be downloaded to the smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find the video helpful.